Hi, Braden. This is our solar system. This is the sun. The sun is our planet. It is not on fire. It has hot gas floating around it. But the gas keeps the sun warm to keep us warm on Earth. But these are sunspots, but they're hot, still really hot. Let's head to the first planet, Mercury. Oh, and the sun has a white atmosphere. Now let's head to the first. This planet is gray, and this planet is green sometimes. And this is Mercury. This planet will orbit the sun, and it will go orbit, and then this Mercury, we are heading to Venus. Venus is a planet. Venus is even hotter than Mercury. It has volcanoes. But this planet will orbit the sun even. Now we are heading to Earth. Wait, Mom. Earth is the planet we live on, and I'm gonna make the moon. The moon is the Earth is moon. Now, this is the moon, Braden. But the Earth is the planet we live on, and it will keep us But look, when Earth turns away, it's daytime on the other side, on Europe and Asia and Africa, on Australia. But when Earth turns back, it's daytime in North America and South America. Now, this is the planet Mars. Mars is the planet, the red planet, and it's a rusty planet. It's red because of its rusty fields and its rusty rocks. Now, we are heading for the asteroid belt, but we have to be careful because asteroids can hit us. So, now, we are heading through the asteroid belt to Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet, even bigger than ours. It orbits the sun. It takes 10 hours to orbit, but it needs to take 10 hours, so it takes 10 hours to orbit the sun. Soon when Jupiter's done, we are heading to Saturn. Saturn's a pretty planet with pretty rings. And Jupiter has rings, but not pretty ones. Saturn has pretty rings, but when you get closer to the rings, it shows rocks and ice. That's what the rings are made out of. Now, Braden, our solar system is pretty cool, but I need to fix Saturn really quick. And then Saturn's beautiful rings, the sun, it's pretty good orbiting the sun. But this is the planet Saturn. But Braden, here it is, Braden, Uranus. Uranus will get around the sun, and it has rings going. This is the planet Uranus, and these are the rings. But we are heading to the planet Neptune. And Jupiter has a big red spot called the Hurricane. It has a little red spot too, but Neptune has only one dark spot. That's a hurricane. And now here goes Neptune gonna orbit. But Neptune is gonna go pretty around. It's gonna go this Now we are heading to the planet Pluto, the coldest planet with life. But if you get out of the ship, you'll freeze to death. But if you break the ice, it will melt into water. And here goes Pluto's orbit. And we are heading to the red dwarf planet. It's the red light Mars. Now we are going to let it orbit. Now we are heading to the blue dwarf planet. And it will have this. Now we are heading to the one with no moons. And it's nighttime on day and night because it's really far from the sun. So it's just day and night. Well, it's just nighttime on day and night because it's really far from the sun. And the sun has so much heat that it is the bestest sun. But Brayden, this is our solar system.